Oh, today is my birthday. Hello, dear.
Hi, Mom.
Wake up, dear. It's morning.
Morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweet girl. Do you remember anything special today?
Monday.
Tom, wake up.
5 more minutes, Mom.
Is today an important day?
I don't know.
Think about it.
Is it school test?
Good morning, David.
Good morning, Sarah.
Anything special today?
I have an office meeting.
Maybe everyone forgot. I'm going out for some work.
Okay, take care.
She really thinks he forgot.
What was so funny?
Mom looks so confused.
Quick, let's start the birthday preparation.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Careful, Tom. That scared me. Hey! You doing great, Tom.
The cake is ready.
Can I taste it? No.
Hide the cake carefully.
Wow. Tom, be careful. Is Mom coming?
Anyone home? Hello?
Happy birthday, Mom!
You remembered?
We never forget you, Mom. You're the best mother.
This was our secret plan.
I thought everyone forgot.
Impossible. Make a wish.
My wish is simple. I want my family happy.
Cake time!
Happy birthday, my dear wife.
This is the best birthday I have ever had.
We love you, Mom!
I love you too, my dear.